Before it was kind of yellow in here, now it's not really so yellow. There's a wasp coming at me. Oh my god. Alright guys, today I'm going to give you a little update on the turbo two-door that I blew up. I'm still getting the garage organized. I still haven't really shut it off. Freaking water heater and dirty clothes. Oh, I got this little, let me show you. I'm using this, what at once upon a time used to be a shoe rack, but now it's been converted to a parts rack. So I'm just hanging up all my parts and kind of try to stay organized. Here's a blown two-door. I've already done a pretty good job in making a mess in here. Floor is covered like an overspray. I did get a car cover for the car because I didn't want to get overspray on there. Stuff just left over for the move. I'm kind of using this computer desk as my can, and I don't know, I thought maybe I could do some computer work. My laptop, maybe edit some videos, and yeah, that desk might stay. Got a freezer, box full of, yeah, just stuff I'm still in the process of moving. That's basically just the point of all this. Here's the short block that is probably going to end up going in the two-door. Got this tool set off of Amazon. It's an Amazon Basics tool set. It's actually, what is it? Like 120 piece or something like that. It ended up being like 50 bucks because all my stuff's at work and I need to get a little tool collection going here at home since I officially have my box at home. You know, I just need to kind of build my collection up. And in my last couple of videos, it's been really dim in here because we've just had, where's that? There's like one single fluorescent bulb in here, and I actually put some LEDs up top. My brother actually got me this for Christmas. They're pretty new, and I had to rig it up. It's not gonna stay like this, but it's got 3 legs, and you can aim them. It's like 9,000 lumens, and the problem is the socket was sideways. I need a socket coming straight down. But what I'm gonna do is have an electrician come, and we're gonna have 4 light bulb sockets. I'm gonna have one here, one back there, one back here. Basically, I'm gonna have one of these LED shop lights in each corner. Just this one alone has made it a lot brighter. Because before it was kind of yellow in here, now it's not really so yellow. There's a wasp coming at me. Oh my god. I'm freaking terrified. I hate wasps so much.
What?
Where's that? Are you recording me? I lost it. It's one of the big red ones.
Find it.
Yeah. Alright, I found it. What do I use? I got bed liner, disinfectant spray, Rust-Oleum, clear coat. What do I hit it with? I'm gonna hit it with some Rust-Oleum. No, I can't do that. I'm gonna paint my clothes. Damn. Hey, I killed it. Come see.
Where is it? Oh. Yeah, you can't touch that with normal hands, right?
Yeah. Well, some people can, but Daddy's just a scaredy cat. I hate these things because they stink so bad. So anyways, the goal for today was just to get the head pulled off and kind of I'm tearing it down to see what's trash and what I can save. Hopefully the head is still good, depending on when the rod broke. You know, I'm worried it scratched the bottom of the head, if like maybe the piston somehow slapped into the head. I don't know, you just never know. But here's the hole in the block. If you guys officially want to see that, let me turn on the flashlight. there's a little hole down here, and there's a bigger hole right here, all the way through and through, all the way through the block. Oh, I see the oil pan gasket down there, the blue. Is that the piston? Yeah, I think that's the piston. No, that's the cylinder wall. The piston must be way up top, like towards the head. Oh, that's the crankshaft right there. Yeah, I don't see any pieces of the rod left, so the piston must be like up top, closer towards the head. Just can't see it.
Daddy.
Alright guys, it doesn't look good. I haven't even looked at the bottom of the head, but check this out. So here's the dead piston. I can move it, but yeah, I see some grooves in here where the valves are hitting the piston. All four of them, actually. Where's my screwdriver? You've got grooves here, 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 and here. All of the valves are hitting. It wasn't a timing issue because this is the only cylinder that had an issue. I think I had an issue with the valves. Maybe I floated the valve. That's weird that all of them would hit though. I'm scared to look at the bottom of the head. Oh man. Let's take a peek. Okay. It doesn't look terrible. You can definitely see the edge of the valves. The edges are a little shiny. That edge. What the hell happened here, man? You know what? I think those notches in the piston were just from the rod breaking at like top dead center. It left the piston at the very top, and maybe when the piston just stopped moving, maybe the valves just started slapping the piston a couple times. Because the valves aren't damaged, they're not fucked up. Maybe it just might actually be able to count like how many times the valves made contact. Like I just see one really good notch right here. Maybe like two over here. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe the piston, like I said, the rod broke. It was at the top, and when the piston wasn't moving anymore, maybe the valve just slapped the piston and put those nicks in the top of the piston. Because the head doesn't look bad, but what I am noticing is it's cleaner than the rest of them. See, there's like black soot on these three chambers, and this one is clean here, clean here. That usually means that it went lean. Maybe this one stopped getting fuel and went really lean, got hot, and had detonation possibly. I've seen where detonation can cause rod failure. Just too much pressure built up in the combustion chamber, and the rod will let go from the excessive pressure in the chamber. But yeah, this one, it's a lot cleaner than these three. I'm just looking at like the black carbon buildup right here. Like this one's like fucking nice and shiny. That's not right. Yeah, this cylinder went lean. So detonation, cylinder 4, looks like the source of the failure Damn, even all the other plugs are just covered in soot. Yeah, and if you do pay attention, this piston is also cleaner than these three. So I bet I had an injector issue. This motherfucker here was probably giving me trouble and I just didn't know. And I had some people saying that these are probably knockoff injectors, which they probably are. You know, I saw the Denso stamped part number on the side and they're like, no, that doesn't matter. They could still be cheapy knockoffs and cause issues. And just kind of like, I've just been looking at this, you've seen, for like 5-10 minutes. I'm going to say the blame of the failure was one of these damn injectors, man. Some of the four, it just looks like it went lean. All the rest are good, it's just, damn. Alright, well there it is, guys. I'm going to say that's the cause of the failure on the turbo two-door. But in the meantime, I'm working on, I'm sure you've seen my other videos, I'm actually working on painting the car white. I'm trying to find the easiest and also cost-effective way to paint the entire car. I'm messing with Rust-Oleum and 2K Clear and stuff like that. I'm actually currently working on polishing the 2K Clear and see how good I can get that to come out. Just white Rust-Oleum, 2K polished up, and I don't know, if you're interested in that, check out those videos. I'm sure anyone can appreciate some cool paint videos. But yeah, if you like this video, as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.